The cruise industry runs on information. Every voyage, every maintenance cycle, every operational decision. It all lives inside thousands of documents created every year. But finding the right information inside those documents, well, that is the hard part. Today, we're excited to show you how Storage Chain AI transforms the way cruise lines like Carnival or Royal Caribbean can access their data instantly. Whether you're managing fleet operations, compliance, guest services, or port logistics, documents are everywhere. Itineraries, maintenance logs, operational reports, incident summaries. And when time matters, searching through the manually really slows everything down. But Storage Chain changes all of that. Our AI search engine understands your fleet, your ports, your routes, understands natural language. You don't need keywords, you don't need file names. You can just ask your question. So in this example, we've uploaded a bunch of documents from Carnival Cruises, history, maintenance logs, just to demonstrate the power of our AI search. So let's just start with a relatively simple search. Like show me all Carnival itineraries from 2019 departing Miami. So let's just put that search in, take a look. And you see very quickly, we're going to get these search results that are highly, highly relevant. So Carnival Breeze leaves departure port Miami, May 2019. So you can see how quickly it looks through our database and comes up with an exact match using natural language query question. So that's the sort of simple search. Let's up the ante with our next search and take a look at a more complex question. So in our next query, we're going to take a look at something a little bit more complex. So we're going to show me maintenance logs for Carnival ships with vibration issues in the year 2021 or 22. So we've got multiple search criteria here, all in a natural language query result. So take a look at this. So if we look in here, we're getting very quick results. Maintenance log, intermittent shaft vibrations for Carnival Cruise. Just take a look at some of these other results that are coming in. Again, technical maintenance log, Horizon, September 2021. So very quickly, it's getting right to the information. And we're using vector search and we're using concept or semantic search in our AI engine to power these results. So just a couple other quick searches to show you the power of the AI. If we want to see what the passenger capacity of the Carnival Breeze is, let's take a look at what we have. All right. This would be Carnival Breeze, and the capacity is 3690. So, we can really get to any information that we're looking for very, very quickly. Just a couple of other fun searches we can take a look at here. How about Carnival Karaoke on the high seas? This is pretty cool just to show you the power of the image search. So this is a PNG file. It's got digitally ingested. Our AI basically reads all the data and words inside of an image and then makes them searchable. So just by ingesting these documents into our platform, everything is searchable. Searchable natural language, searchable keyword, but most exciting is the concept search or the more complex searches that we can run across our data on our AI platform. Now let's take a look at the best part, which is the cost and the savings that Storage Chain can get to companies for our amazing AI service. So let's just take a look at this. So let's take a look at Storage Chain versus our competitors, Microsoft Azure, Google, Vertex, OpenAI. And if you're going to store some data on the Microsoft Azure platform, and you're going to AI enable it, like we just showed you with Storage Chain. First of all, we have our own data storage platform They charge you extra for the data storage. The prices we're looking at here are just for the AI enabling of the data. So for Microsoft Azure, it's going to cost 33 to 53 times more than it would to get these same results from storage chain. So we are way, way, way more cost effective. We really feel that what we built is going to be an industry changing platform for companies to AI enable their documents. Google's charging $13 to $15 a gigabyte for this. We're charging 30 cents a gigabyte. So we have figured out how to build our own proprietary large language models and be able to index not only vector searches but semantic searches on our platform for a fraction of the cost. OpenAI, they also charge you in tokens, which is this sort of confusing way of it's like tickets at a fair where you have all these tokens and the tokens are expensive and they don't really figure out how they connect to actual dollars. But here's how they connect to actual dollars. So it's $20 to $35 a gigabyte to run OpenAI searches, where it's 30 cents a gigabyte for storage chain. So just to wrap up, we feel we've got a fantastic platform, an amazing technology, and a big advantage to come to market versus big tech companies that are charging way too much for the functionality we can provide for a fraction of the cost. So I think we wrap it up there, but thanks everybody for their time, and we'll talk to you soon.